So this is day 3 in Shimla, and I just had my breakfast now, and I'm heading towards Manali. We have booked our cab for the entire 2 days or the entire journey, and so I'll definitely keep you posted. And this is the Durga temple, and then I'm on my way, and the tire got punctured over here. Just look at the view. While I was waiting, I could have seen this pomegranate plant. All those pomegranates, some are red. After 10 hours of journey, I have reached Manali finally. So I've booked Shringar Regency. Actually, we are 4 people with a kid, and so we booked cottages for us. So let's just check out. Come with me. This is the property. It's day 4 in Manali, and I've stayed in this good Shringar Regency. You can watch this. We took cottages, but if you want, you can take rooms as well. And the property is too good. They have apple trees. I'll show you the interior, and they've got the lovely plants, flower plants. You can't plug them, but see the view. There is an apple tree. Going for some local sightseeing in Manali, and it is Van Vihar, the hot springs, the Tibetan monastery, and many more. So stay tuned. So I'm outside the Rama temple over here, and I'll go to the temple. I did not visit. The hot spring is beside this. You can take a bath if you want, but I've already taken the shower, so I will not go. There is gents and ladies divided. You can go there and take a shower. It's raining, so I'm with the umbrella. I'm outside Van Vihar, Manali, and opposite is the Tibetan monastery. I'm going to visit both of them. I'm going to share all the pictures. Here is the ticket counter. For adult it's 30 rupees, and for children it's 15. So I'm going inside. Let's go. wildlife sanctuary, and I'm going to see those Himachali pheasants. Let's go. I am sitting over here in the park. I've come a long way, but I don't recommend this place because this is good for the kids. There's the playing area. It's like the amusement park, along with some big trees and some boulders. You can go for some paddle boating if you want. Other than that, you don't have anything to watch over here. You have just pictures to watch and go through the jungle. So I don't recommend this place. So I'm inside the Tibetan monastery and it's raining outside. It's a must visit if you come to Manali. For some ropeway or paragliding, so stay tuned to see that. I'm in the ropeway, so see the beauty of the nature. I've done my paragliding.